how to enable or disable live activities on iPhone lock screen. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in Settings, we scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode. After that, enter in the passcode. Then we scroll down and in here tap on Live Activities. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Now live activities on the iPhone lock screen are real-time interactive updates from the apps that stay visible without needing to lock your iPhone or constantly check notifications. Instead of sending multiple alerts, a live activity sits at the bottom of your lock screen here and keeps refreshing with live informations. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.